If your headphones sound too quiet, or you want to power more than one pair, a headphone amp can fix that. The basic idea is simple. You connect the output of your audio interface to the input of your headphone amp, then plug your headphones into the amp. First, decide if you want a mono or stereo connection. Mono is simpler, but stereo is what most people will want for normal music listening and monitoring. For mono, plug your cable into the first output, usually output 1. For stereo, connect both left and right outputs from the interface. Now connect the other end to the headphone amp. For mono, use the mono input or the left input. For stereo, plug the cables into the left and right inputs correctly. Once everything is connected, place the amp where you want it. Tidy the cable, power it on, and start listening. This gives you stronger headphone volume and can help when using multiple headphones. To connect a headphone amp to an audio interface, you need to connect the output of your audio interface to the input of the headphone amp, then plug your headphones into the amp.